Welcome to kidsacademy.mobi.
Hello everyone, let's open the worksheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can find the link to this app in comments below.
I am so excited today because we get to do a new worksheet, and the name of our worksheet is called Practice Fractions with Cinderella. I love Cinderella. How about you? Let's go ahead and look at our directions. Our directions say trace on the dotted line that divides each group of items into half. Tick the box next to the group that does not split in half evenly. Okay, so we've got a couple of things that we're going to do here. The first one that we're going to do is we are going to look at each one of the rows of items, and we're going to just try to divide it into half so there's equal parts on both sides. So let's take a look. What we need to do first is count these up. We've got Cinderella's glass slippers, right? So let's go ahead and count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you might already know what half of 10 is, but sometimes you don't. So one way that you can figure out half of 10 is to draw over to the side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to see what is the half point. So what you can do is you can cross off on both sides. So here and here, here and here, here and here, here and here, and then we've got our 2 right here. So the line we're going to draw in between when we get to the 2 middle ones, and we're going to count up how many is on this side. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be 5 on the other side if we divided it up evenly. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's even, that's equal, or that's the same number. It divided up evenly. And that 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 is half of 10, okay? So let's come over here and let's find the halfway point for our slippers here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this dotted line right here is the half point, okay? And it says here the other direction was tick the box next to the group that does not split in half evenly. This one does split in half evenly, so we're not going to tick the box on this one. Let's go down to the next one. The next one looks like we've got our little mice with some cheese, okay? Do you remember that in the story, the little mice? Let's go ahead and count these up and see how many there are. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 total. Let's come over here and draw out our picture. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you remember what I told you that we're going to do? We're going to cross off on both sides, and we get to 2 in the middle. We'll know which is the half point, okay? So let's look. We're going to cross off 1 here, and 1 here, 1 here, and then 1 here, 1 here, and then 1 here, and oh, well, this is different, isn't it? There's not 2 here. We can't divide it in half, can we? So that lets me know that this can't be divided in half equally, because I've got 3 here and I've got 3 here, but then I've got 1 extra one, and I can't divide that one in half. Now actually you probably can't, but those are other kinds of fractions. That doesn't divide evenly. So on this one, remember the last direction that says tick the box next to the group that does not split in half equally? This one, we're actually going to come over here and we're going to tick that box, because unfortunately that one we can't divide up evenly, right? Because 7 is not an even number. Do you remember that with even and odd? 7 is an odd number. That means that there's one odd one out. So that one's not even, okay? Let's go down to the next one. We've got our magic wands here, okay? Let's count up our wands. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our total number is 12, and you might know what the answer is, but let's come over to the side and draw out 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So remember what I said we're going to do. We're going to tick off on both sides, here, and then here, here, and then here, here, got 2, so we know it's even. And then we've got 1 here and 1 here, so we're going to put that line right in the middle, and we're going to count up how much that is. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we did it correctly and we divided it evenly, then the other side will have 6. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did it. We've got 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12, which was our total amount. So let's see if we can find that halfway point after 6. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's that dotted line that divides it in half. Okay, nice job. Now let's go down to the next one. We're about halfway done. We've got that clock that strikes midnight. Do you remember that in the story? That was fun. Okay, so let's look. How many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 total. Let's draw over to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to tick them off on both sides, you remember? And then we should have 2 in the middle. So here's 1, and here's 1, here's 1, and here's 1, here's 1, and here's 1. We've got 2 in the middle, so we did it right. Here's 1, and here's 1, and we're going to put that dividing line right down the middle. How many do we have on each side? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on this side, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. That was our total number of clocks. So let's find the halfway point here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So our halfway point is boop, right there. Okay, great job. Okay, now we are almost done. We've got her pretty dress. I love that dress in that story. Let's look and see how many there is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dresses. So let's come over here and draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to tick off on both sides. So here, and then here, here, and then here. And remember, those were our last 2, so we're going to divide that in half. So on each side, there is 2. 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. That was our total amount. So we're going to divide that. 1, 2. So that line is right after the 2. Okay, and we've got that divided evenly. And this one's pretty easy to see. You can see that that's divided up evenly, right? Okay, one last one here. Great job. We've got our magic pumpkins, don't we? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 total. We're going to draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to take them off on each side. So 1 here, and then 1 here, 1 here, and then 1 here. There's our 2. We're going to tick those off, 1 here and 1 here, but we're going to put a line right down the middle. Count up each side. We've got 1, 2, 3 on that side, 1, 2, 3 on that side. 3 plus 3 is 6, which is our total amount. So let's find that line right after our 3. 1, 2, 3. There's that line right there. We're going to trace it, and we are done. Awesome job. Bye-bye, friends.
Like us and subscribe to our channel. Find links to our apps and comments below.